Ring's long-promised alarm system is coming on July the 4th, and it looks like it could shake up the market for DIY alarms. Why? Because it's much cheaper than the competing Nest Protect alarm system. Ring Alarm will cost you $199, and for that money you get the base station, a keypad for arming and disarming the system, a door and window sensor, a passive infrared motion detector, and a range extender. Additional door or window sensors are $20 and motion sensors are $30. So the basic Ring system sounds an alarm on the base station and will alert your phone system if it's triggered. But you can add professional monitoring, where someone in a call center gets alerted and can call you and the police. That's $10 a month with no contract. That monthly subscription also enables an LTE wireless device in the base station, and it has a battery as well, which means the system will remain connected if there's a power failure. Additionally, subscribing to the monitoring service adds cloud video storage for an unlimited number of Ring video cameras. So if you already have Ring surveillance devices, this is looking like a pretty good deal. These prices are very competitive against the rival Nest Secure system that came out earlier this year. Nest Secure starts at $399, double the price, and add-on sensors are $50, about double. Monitoring for that is $29 per month. The technology behind the two systems isn't directly comparable, but on paper the Ring is looking like it's very attractive, and the price is certainly right. Ring is also planning new devices for the system. One will listen for smoke and carbon monoxide alarms and send you an alert when they're triggered. There's also going to be a flood and freeze sensor that will alert you to water leaks and freezing temperatures that could damage your home pipes, and a supplemental siren. These accessories will cost another $30 each. Now, we haven't had a chance to test the system out yet, so I can't say how well it works, but we will have a review for you very soon. So if you're looking for a DIY alarm system, don't buy anything yet. Wait until we've had a chance to try Ring, and we can tell you exactly what it's like, because on paper it's looking very competitive with Nest.